Hey everybody, Mindset, Trend, and Trades, and let's get into the charts. So I think I'm going to name this one Sometimes You Get Lucky. Last week when someone mentioned about KEEL, what do you buy in? Would I recommend buying it? I said, well, it's a good buy, and it did go up quite a bit, and it's still on an upward trend. I thought that this parallel channel might act as some sort of resistance, but you could flip it, act as support, and then go to price discovery. We are getting a little overheated, so I'd look out for KEEL, but it's on a great move upward. But I didn't buy KEEL last week. I actually bought DMGI, and look at here. Today was up for 50%, and that's because today they announced a AI deal. They own, I don't know, maybe 100 or so megawatts of power. You have to do your own due diligence and research, but they were Bitcoin miners, right? And they own the power, and they've actually got a letter of intent to use it for AI hosting. And everyone knows the AI hosting margins are a lot higher, and they get a potential to make a lot of money. And there's some other guys doing videos that show maybe how far this could go. Potentially, they're saying $4, and I mean, I think when I was talking about this last week, I was on the weekly, and we were looking at this long range of support here, this upward trend, and we can see back in 2021, the price was it reached a high of 550, almost $5. So I thought, I bought it around 30 cents. I was like, this thing could hit $3, and I'm gonna buy some just because, and I think. Yeah, it's still a good hold. It's still undervalued. Um, well, let's see how we do around this support at or resistance at 60, and then we'll test this other high 77. We get there and we still break above, then we can see how high we can go. And maybe look at KEEL again here. Maybe that's what it's looking at here too. Like its 2021 high was $9, almost $10 here. So maybe KEEL, that's where it's going, Might do the full. Look at this. Huge retrace and all the way back up, That happens over a period, it's been 6 years. So, yeah, maybe targets for KEEL could be a $10 trade. It's looking strong. But yeah, I'm holding DMGI now too, and I'm glad I bought quite a large position of that last week. So that feels good. Sometimes you get lucky. Sometimes you get a 50% day. But yeah, so you guys know, my biggest holding is still Mara. It's been just doing slow and steady. It hasn't announced any tenants. It doesn't have a letter of intent with anybody. Like, it's all just talk. There's no actual press releases or anything like that about their AI deal. So we're waiting for that day to happen. Maybe Mara has a 50% day and we get back to these $20-$30 levels. And again, you look back at the 2021 level, I think Mara is going to $80. And I think that could happen end of this year. I'm feeling a little optimistic today with how prices went. But yeah, just don't count this one out here. It has a lot of potential, and the charts are saying it's ready to go, in my opinion. We can take a quick look at Bitcoin here. It's had such a rough last 4 weeks, right? Yeah, all red candles these last 4 weeks. And we go to the miners here, and the last 4 weeks for Mara have been pretty much green, up. Like KEEL's a Bitcoin miner, 4 weeks green. HIVE, 4 weeks green. So there's something decoupling here. These are all miners that have switched over to AI data center plays. Look at this. HUT is crazy. It's unstoppable right now. CleanSpark also doing great. It's mainly a Bitcoin miner too. It has no announced AI deals, although it intends to have AI deals as well. So you can see there's been this strength in the marketplace with Bitcoin being hammered so low. So I don't know what that means. If they're trying to, I don't know, honestly, to be honest. If anyone does know or think what is going on here, let me know in the comments. It'd be cool to figure out. But are they just I don't know. I think maybe this Bitcoin is maybe just the last fake out dip, to get people to go short, because I've been seeing a lot of things on my feed too, saying that, oh, the bear market is just starting. And usually when I start seeing these things on my YouTube profile and other things, I don't know if it always indicates that that's the truth, because just recently last week, it's been a lot of negative sentiment on Bitcoin, and I've noticed that. And not not sure if it's some kind of manipulation, but who knows? We haven't broke the bottom of this trend line yet here. This broadening wedge. So let's hopefully, you know, show some strength. Don't even come down and touch it. Reverse here, or come down and let's touch it, or maybe we wick down to the $69,000 level here, and still close a candle within this broadening wedge formation. Um, I think that would be pretty bullish. I mean, it would scare a lot of people out, and then take out leverage traders, and it'd be ready maybe for another upside run. And my opinion is this was the bottom, but that's just my opinion. Um, I can be wrong. Um, so yeah, and just with the strength that all these miners are having right now, I feel like Bitcoin maybe this might have been the bottom, because if Bitcoin was going lower, why are all these companies going parabolic right now? So I don't know. This was more of just a discussion video here, not too much breaking down in the charts, but yeah, sometimes you do get lucky. Let's end with that green candle here on the daily. Yeah, that's a good one. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and leave a comment, like, and have a good day.